I'm gonna make it seem like this thing's the fastest thing on the planet. Whoa!
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a special day. We got a snake in the channel. And it's a really nice snake. Check it out, check it out, check it out. That there is my boy Pat's GT350, and I figured it's time to show him on the channel, have some fun with the car. The car is absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. He's done an awesome job with the car, and damn, the damn car looks good. Just look at that splitter. Look at that splitter. It's huge. All right, guys. So here's my boy Pat. He's had this car since what, 2016, right? 2016. He bought it brand new. Yep. You know, it was basically like your graduation gift for yourself and getting out of school, right?
It was, absolutely, yeah.
Oh, that's a hell of a gift. God damn it, that's a hell of a gift. But he's done a great job with this car. Performance-wise, it's still technically stock. Yeah. But visually, the car is absolutely beautiful, and the stock stuff is going away soon. Soon, real soon. So, tell me about it. Splitter,
Archetype Racing. Pre-production, I got this from a fellow big Instagrammer, Joker350. He had it on his car for a while, but solid carbon, Archetype Racing pre-production model. Picked it up a few months ago. So
it's aggressive. It's such an aggressive splitter, and he's like a lot of people, he doesn't like the rods, and I think it looks better without the rods.
Yeah, I mounted it internally. The rods are actually behind the bumper, behind the fins. And so yeah, it just mounts directly underneath the factory R splitter.
So aggressive. That's when you put this on the car, I was like, it completely changed, just because this is already an aggressive looking car, and when you put that big ass splitter, it makes it look even 10 times more aggressive.
Absolutely.
Wheels, these are 6GRs, right?
These are 6GRs. You have the R spec, 11 in the front, 11.5 in the rear. On a 305 front and a 325 Toyo R888R.
R888, so she's sticky tires all around.
Track monster.
Man, that's what this car's built for. A lot of people buy these cars for straight lines. These cars are not built for straight lines. These cars are made for turns.
That's right.
And they're built right. I mean, this thing has every type of cooling that it needs for the track. Because this is a tech package, right?
This is a track pack.
A track pack.
Yeah, so a 16 track pack comes with a diff cooler, oil coolers, rear diff cooler. Yeah, every cooler that Ford gave that they optioned.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I got under this not that long ago, and I was like, holy crap, I didn't realize it had so many different coolers under it, and even back there in the diff. But man, the car looks so good. This is deep impact blue. If people are asking what color it is. It's this color was only available in 15 and 16.
Yep.
I know you Shelby guys are gonna be like, oh no, how could you do that to a Shelby? And those are real Euros.
They're
real, because I know he paid a real price for them. and they look good. These are real deal. I think when you bought these came out of Ireland or something.
Yeah, they were overseas obviously, but yeah, I think they shipped out of Ireland. And then yeah, so this was before the VLANs, and all that. So these are true.
Yeah, he wanted them. He wanted them bad.
I debated it for a while. I remember talking about it for a while. But and then Anderson Composite R wing, just painted gloss black.
Oh, it looks good. The R wing looks good. Yep. And one thing about my boy Pat here, my boy Pat drives his car. He's not a typical Shelby guy. He drives his. How many miles his car got, Pat?
I got just over 72,000.
He drives it.
Yep.
He drives it. Not like all you Shelby guys got these things for 5 years and got like 5,000 miles on it. No, he drives this damn thing. That's what these cars are made to do. And he's, I mean, and the car's still in awesome shape. Just looks good, and it has that Shelby sound. No other Mustang sounds like this Mustang, and as good as these Mustangs. I think these sound better than GT500s. The interior is mostly stock, but I mean, you really don't need to do much to a GT350 anyways. I mean, look at the seats, you know, everything it comes with. I mean, you really don't need, not like all the stuff I had to do to my interior to make it look good.
So on the Track Pack 2016, you had to choose between track and tech. Tech pack comes with the bigger screen, the Sync 2, Sync 2 at the time, I think, but and then so I upgraded the Sync 3. Put that in there. So the Track Pack does not come with the bigger screen. It comes with the smaller, I like to call it the calculator.
Yes, I know what it is.
But
I know.
So then I upgraded the Sync 3, and then I got a full JL audio system in it as well.
Oh yeah, well show me that. Show me.
Okay.
Oh, Shelby guy's gonna be like, it's ruined. You ruined the trunk. Oh, man, you got some bump up in here. It looks good too. It is a great job.
JL audio, 5 channel, and then 2 12-inch W3s. Rings to match the paint, and then custom box done by my boy Jorge.
I mean, he did a custom box. This is because he had to basically enclose it into the
where the spare tire
goes.
Yep.
Damn, yeah, it looks good. It looks so clean. It's all lit up. Look at that. Damn it, Pat. I got like a speaker here. And I'm like, that's all. I'm like, no, man, you're making me look bad. I'm gonna close this up. You're making me look bad. But can't really go wrong with this engine. I think it's one of the better engines. I think when they came out with the revised one, because what was the biggest issue where they were coming apart?
It was just more so the oil consumption.
Just the oil consumption issues.
And
that's how they will come apart.
Burning them up, yeah. Burning them up. I think the biggest thing with these, you know, that the fact that the red line's 8250 on them, and it's this big displacement, the 5.2 liter, the displacement is so large that honestly I think that with the motor spinning as fast as it is, with the blow by, the rings can't catch all the oil, and maybe that's where it's burning the oil and using the oil. I mean, I think there's a lot of debate out there as to why they use oil, but as long as you, like Tim already said, as long as you stay on top of it, I haven't had an issue with it. It's 72,000 miles and still runs stronger than ever. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. I think it's time. I think it's time to go see how it does run. Let's see what it does. I've driven this car once, but that was maybe 4 years ago. It's been a while since I've driven this car, so, and I want to see what 8,200 RPM feels like, because I'm telling you right now, my car don't do that.
I'm gonna make it seem like this thing's the fastest thing on the planet. Whoa!
Oh boy!
So I forgot to mention I'm on Ford Performance springs also.
Yes. So it is lowered a little bit.
Yeah, inch and a quarter, I think.
Inch and a quarter?
Yeah. Inch and a half, right around there.
I'm excited. I want to see what. I want to see what 8,000 RPM feels like. I don't even know.
Yeah, so as long as the oil temp's over 200, it'll let you go to red line.
Oh, it feels different in my car, Pat. It's a different car.
It is.
It's a different car completely.
Different power band,
different everything. It's but it just feels so planted. It feels like it's like squatting. It's 72,000. Proud of you. Shame all those damn Shelby owners that don't drive their cars.
I drive it, baby. I drive it.
Yeah, you do. Somebody, y'all need to drive one of these one time. Because a lot of people, especially with the 500 coming out, you know, they kind of like to say, oh, no, we don't need the 350 anymore, this and that. Even though they stopped making this after last year, right?
2020 was the last.
2020, because
was the last year.
Because the Mach 1, right? The Mach 1 is technically replacing this.
Correct.
But the Mach 1 has a Coyote, right?
Yes.
It doesn't have a 5. It doesn't have a 5.2.
It does not.
It has a trimming.
It does have the 6061 trimming.
Yes. So yeah, this is not an MT82 on these guys. This is a trimming.
And that's another reason why I wanted this over a 5.0, mostly because of the transmission. But you know, it was going to be a stick car, and a lot of people talk about the 500, and that's you can only get that in an automatic. So in the new 10-speed. So I'm a manual guy. I wanted the rotary gears.
He knows, Pat knows.
That's right. Third pedal.
this car has a certain sound that no other V8s have. And these are the flat plane crank, right?
It's a flat plane crank. Yep.
That's what that sound is from.
That's what.
That's why it screams.
It's fun to drive every day.
It's fun to drive.
It's fun to drive. God damn it! Second gear pulls.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Holy shit! And probably 7,500 there. I didn't even go wind it out all the way. 8,000. 8,000. Well, this thing has. So where does it? Have you ever hit the limiter on it?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. What's the limit? Where does the limiter hit?
It's right at 8250.
8250.
Yeah. It's right at it.
The sound and just the way the car feels is the best part about this car, I think. It's a different animal. And he does have plans to throw some boost on this. Soon. So, you know, that's gonna make it a whole different animal.
A whole nother monster.
I'm gonna hate you for about 3 days and I'm gonna come help you. But we're gonna get it done. You know, I rather prefer work on a Mustang than a Camaro any day. I know these cars.
Yep.
Oh man. Yeah, you're gonna like that. Oh man, with that kind of RPM.
I know.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, you're never gonna want to get rid of this car then.
I always said it. Once I bought it, I'm never gonna sell it. It's something I'll keep for the rest of my life. Just about paid off.
Ah. That's a good feeling. That's a good feeling.
Take it up. Take it up.
Oh man. Sounds so good.
So the exhaust is all stock. The only thing I've done is take on the 350s, they have a resonator in the mid pipe. So I just cut those out, and then it's straight pipes, a resonator delete. Which factory the 350R doesn't have resonators, so technically the R sounds just like this from factory.
So from factory. So
yes.
They put resonators on these, but none on ours.
Correct.
Okay. That's weird.
But it just wakes it up a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, gives a little more bite to the exhaust sound. So
nothing sounds like these.
So light that it's easy to drive.
It's extremely easy to drive.
Yeah.
But it feels so good. This is the car. This is a car that needs to be driven in curves and find good. Damn it, we live in Florida. We need to find some good mountain roads.
I was gonna say, well, I mean, you know, a few years ago we took it up to the Dragon. Yeah, it has been to the Dragon, so
yeah. We all had a good time. This car loved it.
Yeah, it ate it up.
This car's made for it. Man.
We
are out here in Mexico, but you know, federales sometimes don't like to play. No, bro, this is an awesome car. I'm excited for the next phase of this car because I think it's just gonna get something better now. And I'm glad I drove it now because it's been so many years since I've driven it, but I drove it now. Yeah. And then when you do just what's coming up to it here in the next month or so, and then then that level, and then you go up to the next level.
Right.
Dude.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming. So.
Yeah. So. Cause this thing, what did it do at the dyno?
It made 453 and 407 torque.
453, 407 torque. To the wheels, guys. To the wheels.
Yeah.
So that's just about average, I think, for anything. It's NA. The car's making good power. So once you, I think the plan is to put the headers, the 85, and tune it, and I think that'll get you with 500 wheel. Just from that.
I'll be close. Yeah, I'll be right. That's the target. 500 wheel.
500 wheel.
Yeah.
This car, 500 wheels, is gonna be fun.
Yeah, for the first phase.
500 wheels is gonna be fun. Yeah. We're not gonna talk about the second phase, even though, because it's gonna be a little bit. Hopefully not that long. Either way, it's gonna be fun when we do it, and it'll be something that it'll be done here on this channel like we did the last one. So. Yeah, the gas patch.
Yeah. It's a common occurrence on this thing.
Oh, funny how that is. God, this transmission feels good. I like the notchiness of it.
Yeah. Got a new clutch coming. Twin disc. Mantic. Should be good for about 850 wheel on the torque number.
850 wheel.
Just getting ready.
God damn, them brakes are good.
Just getting ready for phase 2. Yep.
Oh, is reverse same as
Nope. Pull up on the collar and over.
Oh,
Yep.
See, I got used to the other way. I forgot. I haven't even had to use the collar in a while.
6 piston Brembo's in the front, 4 pistons in the
Oh,
rear.
this thing's got some brakes. This thing's got some brakes.
It bites.
All right, guys, there it is. Shelby GT350. Awesome car. Absolute monster. That car, it's one of the most planet cars I've ever felt. And nothing sounds like that car. Nothing absolutely sounds like that car. Great car, great drive. I want to thank my boy Pat, let me drive it. Awesome. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Y'all stay safe out there. We'll see y'all later.